Hey guys, it's Boy, and I hope you guys are having a blessed whatever the time of the day it is for you today. So today's Vlogmas day 10. And after today, I won't be able to use my little fingers to do the date thing anyway. So today, we'll be making this Christmas card. I'm not going to show you what's inside because I want you guys to watch until the end. Little surprise. But anyway, don't judge the outside appearance, okay? It's on the inside what counts. It's on the inside. Anyway, we're gonna make this today. So without further ado, let's hop on into it. So what you'll need are 2 pieces of printer paper, colored paper or sticky notes. I don't have colored paper, so I'm using sticky notes. An erasable utensil, a ruler, scissors, a glue stick, tape, and money, preferably coins. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of how to make this card, and now you guys get to see the card in action. So once you open it, it'll be closed and it'll say open me. So person will be like, open me. Oh, You know, you can decorate the inside as you wish, you know, write little notes. I'm not going to do that right now. Anyway, so open me. You got the little money. And person will be like, oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, that's coming off. But anyway, they'll be like, oh, my. Take off the money, open it, and be like, thank you. Okay, it may not go like that. I don't know how it would go, but anyway. Okay, close that little. So I'm guessing the tape that you use once won't work twice or 3 times. But anyway. There you got your card. Close your card. Merry Christmas. So today is day 10. Perfect. I like how my eyes are just adjusted to the 10 instead of me having to search like yesterday. Anyway, number 10. Let's go. Wait. 10. Let's go. This feels like, what do you call it? Airheads. I need to put something else in here because I'm not trying to eat candy every day and I'm not trying to make you guys just see me eat candy. So, yep. Watermelon. You know what? I am going to put something else in there so that you guys will be like, oh, I didn't know that was in there as well. But what am I going to? Anyway, without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.